This is how I created the Pig Latin assignment in Java. So I first declared a public class named Pig Latin, and I began my main string. So this line here is a string variable that I named hard-coded input, and the string is declared and initialized with the given text here. Next, the console prints out input phrase followed by the hard-coded input that I just declared and initialized. And next, the convert to Pig Latin method is called with the hard-coded input as its argument. So as a result, the converted Pig Latin sentence is then printed to the console. So this is the close of the main method and the Pig Latin class. And we next begin with the convert to Pig Latin method. And this line begins with the definition of a method named convert to Pig Latin that takes a string parameter named sentence and returns a string. This splits the input sentence into individual words using space as the delimiter and stores them in a string array named words. Here, a new string builder object named Pig Latin sentence is created. This loop iterates over each word in the words array, translates that word to Pig Latin using the translate word method, and appends it to Pig Latin sentence. This line converts the string builder object back to a string, trims any leading or trailing spaces, and then returns it. And this closes the convert to Pig Latin method. This is the translate word method, which converts a single word into Pig Latin. So the word is first converted to lowercase and stored in lower word. It then checks if the first letter of a lower word is a vowel, and if it is, it adds -ay to the end of the original word. If the first letter is not a vowel, it finds the index of the first vowel in the word using getFirstVowelIndex. And if there are no vowels, it simply adds ay to the end of the word. If there is a vowel, it rearranges the word based on the position of the first vowel and then adds ay to the end. And that is just how traditional Pig Latin is done. We just defined it within this translate word method. This method finds and returns the index of the first vowel in a word. If there are no vowels, it returns a -1. It does this by iterating through each character in the word and checking if it's a vowel. So finally, we're going to run this. And this is, again, the input, or the hard-coded input phrase that I defined here. And this is the result, the Pig Latin result, after the hard-coded input is put through the convert to Pig Latin method.